Size separation is a process of segregating or sorting particles or substances based on their size or dimensions. It involves separating a mixture into different fractions or components, each containing particles within a specific size range. Sieving, sifting or screening. This is a common method that uses a mesh screen to separate particles. Particles larger than the mesh holes are retained on top, while smaller particles pass through. Sieves can come in various configurations, including flat screens, rotating tumblers, and vibrating screens. Sedimentation. Sedimentation relies on gravity to separate particles of different sizes. A mixture is allowed to settle in a liquid medium, and larger or denser particles settle faster than smaller or less dense ones. It's commonly used in wastewater treatment and mineral processing. Centrifugation. Centrifugation involves spinning a mixture at high speeds to create centrifugal force. This force causes particles to separate based on size and density, with larger and denser particles migrating towards the outer edge of the centrifuge tube. It's used in applications such as cell separation in biological research and the purification of biological molecules. Elutriation. This method separates particles based on their size and density in an upward-flowing stream of gas or liquid. Larger and denser particles will settle against the flow, while smaller and less dense particles will be carried higher in the stream. Elutriation can be used to produce very narrow size fractions. Filtration. This method separates particles from a liquid using a filter medium that allows the liquid to pass through but retains the particles. Filtration is commonly used to remove solids from liquids, but it can also be used to separate particles of different sizes if the filter medium has a specific pore size. Flotation. This method separates particles based on their wettability. Hydrophobic particles, those that repel water, will adhere to air bubbles and float to the surface of a liquid, while hydrophilic particles, those that attract water, will remain suspended in the liquid. Flotation is often used to separate minerals from gangue, waste rock, in the mining industry. Causes particles to separate based on size and density, with larger and denser particles migrating towards the outer edge of the centrifuge tube. It's used in applications such as cell separation in biological research, the purification of biological molecules. Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities, and all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational purposes only. Any copyrighted material on these slides is included as fair use for educational purposes only. It will be removed at the request of copyright owners.